William E. Proudfoot Sickle Cell Foundation. Their annual gala is coming up, and it will be a night of auction items, music, celebrity guests, and most importantly, helping those who suffer daily from the disease. Dominique Ruffin and her daughters, we have Nevaeh and Nariah here joining us this morning. Good morning to all of you ladies.
Good morning.
All right, so Mom, let me start with you. You have your daughter here, Nariah. She has Nakaira. She has sickle cell, so you know this journey inside and out.
Yes. We're here today to promote sickle cell awareness. I don't know if many people know, but September is Sickle Cell Awareness Month. Mm-hmm. And Nakaira has been, I think, pain crisis free since May.
Awesome.
And yes, and if you have a child with sickle cell or have a family member with sickle cell, you know the struggle. So we are super excited to be helping the Proudfoot Fund celebrating their 11th year in raising awareness.
And that night, I'll be out there emceeing it. I've been doing this with them since they got this started. They are such a wonderful organization and doing such good work.
Yes.
Now, your daughter here, Nevaeh, you see your big sister go through some of this, the crisis and the pain, and when she's sick, and you don't like it very much, do you?
No, it feels scared.
It's scary for you?
Yeah.
But you know what? You have done something about that. You express how you feel and what your family's going through artwork. Tell me about your artwork.
Well, my artwork is to help my family.
It's to help your family?
My artwork is to help my family because they're having a hard time with my sister.
It's a tough illness. It's a tough disease. Nakaira, you go through it. Tell me about what it's like for you. You have a supportive family. You have your mom with you. She's there for support for you right now.
Yeah.
Tell me about what it's like for you.
It's like it feels very painful and it feels like weird, but if you get the right care, it'll go away.
Yes, and that's what the Proudfoot Foundation is trying to do, is to get the right care, the research, the doctors, all the information to try to help little girls like you so you can get out and play and have fun and not have to worry about that and spending time in the doctors, right?
Yeah.
So, Mom, for you, organizations like the Proudfoot organization, their foundation, all the work that goes into this, as a mom, what does it mean to you to know that there are people out there advocating for your child?
Oh, it's truly amazing to have an awesome support system, especially like the Proudfoot Foundation. They do a lot of amazing things. They recognize a lot of amazing people, and we're just super excited, like I said, to have the support. When you're dealing with a chronic illness such as sickle cell, support is very much needed and appreciated.
And that night they have silent auction items that people can buy. There's food, there's music, entertainment. They have some ravens that come out there to support. There's a lot of community support for this.
Absolutely. And the Art Speaks program is wonderful, which is what Nevaeh won her prize for.
Okay.
It gives voice to families who are dealing with sickle cell, who has a family member who has it, or even just has the trait. It allows them to be creative and to get those things that they need to get out.
And the Art Speaks program has been involved with them since the very beginning as well. So it will be a good night. I'll look forward to seeing you ladies out there. You're going to be in your red, right?
Yeah.
Rocking the red. We'll be in red.
Absolutely.
All right. Good to see you, and we'll see you again next week when the event happens. And if you want any information about the event, we'll put that on our website. All right, let's get over to Jonathan. He's got to look at the tropical storm that's probably interrupting some, or are we going to Jonathan, or are we going to commercial? We're going to commercial? All right, well, coming up on Good Day, both